Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with a working calculator and a clear goal. Do arithmetic correctly. First, confirm batteries or solar power. Dim segments cause errors, so replace LR44 if needed. Once powered, clear previous entries and modes by pressing second F then on. This prevents leftover settings from changing results. Next, set the display format with fix, Psi, or ENG so answers show the right decimals. This matters because the Ti-30xa defaults can hide precision. Once done, you're ready to enter calculations. You now execute calculations. The Ti-30xa evaluates left to right unless you use parentheses, so add parentheses for any non-standard order. For powers, use XY. For reciprocals, press 1/X. If a multi-step result is needed, store values with M+ and recall with Mr. to avoid retyping. Use the % key when computing percentages. It interprets the number relative to the previous entry, making % of and % change tasks fast. Make sure to press equals after each expression. You finish by confirming results. Rerun critical calculations or recall stored values to verify consistency, because small key mistakes are common. When done, clear the last entry with CE or reset modes with second F then on if something behaves oddly. This solves most mode-related errors. If the display is garbled or segments missing, replace the battery and test under good light. Solar backup needs brightness. If problems persist, recheck keys for sticking and retry the operation step by step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.